Hello students, now I will take your English class and all of you mute your microphones and do the class properly, okay? Without making any mess, do the class properly. All of you will be muting your microphones, okay? And today I will be taking your grammar. And today I will be taking the chapter subject and predicate. Okay? Open page number 13 of your book. All of you open page number 13 of your grammar book, okay? And see the D part. And you can see here, first let's read the heading, that now we have to add subject to these sentences. You can see in the book. We have to add subject to these sentences and we have to fill in the blanks now. And I want all of your cooperation because these are very easy. These are very easy. You can use the chat box. Only you will use the chat box to cooperate. Okay? Mute your microphones, all of you. First one. D, first one. Dash lives in a den. So, what it will be? What? Try to understand. What lives in a den? Can you tell the answer? We can tell not. Use the chat box to write the answer. Okay? Lion lives in a den. Isn't it? Lion lives in a den. Dash are fond of eating carrots. Dash are fond of eating carrots. Can you tell me? Use the chat box to let me know. I hope you can answer this. Can't you? Rabbits. Isn't it? Rabbits are fond of eating carrots. Write it down in your book. All of you will be writing all of these in your book without any mistake. Dash is the capital. Dash is the capital of China. So, what is the capital of China? Can any of you tell me? Beijing. Beijing is the capital of China. Write it down. Write it down, okay? Dash don't make the beach dirty. Make the beach dirty. So here subject, what we can place? Here the subject is not needed, so we can mark it cross, and we can place it also a subject, like this is a command sentence, so we can write it you also. Okay, but in the heading you are told that if no subject is needed, just put cross. So this is the sentence. In this kind of a command sentence, subjects are not needed. In this kind of a command sentence, subjects are not needed, so we can mark it as cross, but we know that we can place you as a subject, isn't it? Clear? Write it down, and I will be erasing it now. Write it down. Okay, I am erasing it now. Number 5. Dash was known as the saint of the gutters. So we can see it also in the picture. In the picture here we can also see that who was known as the gutter of the saint of the gutters? Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was known as the saint of the gutters. So Dash has scored the highest number of runs in Test cricket. Who? We can see it also in the picture. We can see it also in the picture that Dash has scored the highest number of runs in Test cricket. So Sachin Tendulkar. We can see it also in the picture. Okay. Sachin Tendulkar. I am erasing it now. Okay. I am erasing it now. 7. Dash do not talk loudly. Near the patient. Dash do not talk loudly near the patient. So, here this sentence is also a command sentence. So, here subject is not needed. We can mark it as cross, but we know that we can use you as a subject. Okay. So, this is also a command sentence, and here also subject is not needed. So, we can mark it as cross, and we all know that we can take you as the subject. Clear? Number 8. Dash gives the meanings of words. What gives the meanings of words? Dictionary. We can write it because we know that dictionary, in a dictionary we can find a meaning of any word. In a dictionary we can find a meaning of any word. So, dictionary gives the meaning of words. Okay. Now, I am erasing it and I will do the next two. I hope all of you are writing it in your book without any mistake, and let me know that you are writing in the chat box. Let me know that you are writing in the chat box and you are completing. Dash is celebrated on September. What is celebrated on 5th September? Teachers' Day. We all know that Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. Dash is a very cunning animal. What is a very cunning animal? Fox is a very cunning animal. Okay, clear? Write it down. And I am erasing it and moving forward with the next. Number E you can see as similar but opposite, like supply the predicate in the following sentence. So, in this sentence we have to add predicate to make it a full sentence, like the Republic Day, we can write it like is celebrated on 26th January. We can write it like this. If you want to write anything else, you can also write. I have written this. If you want to write anything else which will be correct one, you can write. The Himalayas, second one, the Himalayas are the highest chains of mountains. Okay. I have written this, you can write however you want, but that should be correct one. Okay. So, the Himalayas are the highest chain of mountains. The third one, that is a year, that third one is your homework. A year, third one is your homework, you will try to do at your home. Okay. And I will be discussing in the later on classes. And number 3 is your homework. A year dash fill it with a suitable predicate. Okay. I am erasing it now. I hope all of you have written that. Number 3 will be your homework. Mark it in your book. Number 3 will be your homework. Mark it in your book. Okay. She. This is very easy. You can write whatever you want. I am writing this. You can write whatever you want. You can write whatever you want. Okay. Fifth one is the Bible. I have written this, you can write anything and that should be a correct one. The Bible is the holy book for Christians. Sixth one is it. This is also very easy, you can write whatever you want. I am writing this, you can write anything. A large crowd large crowd gathered in the market. I have written this. You can write anything you want. Okay. I hope you have written it. I am erasing the board now. I am erasing now, okay? Write it down without any mistake. Now I am erasing it. The poem. I have written this. You can write anything. The poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. You can write anything, and the 9 one also will be your homework. Okay. So number 3 and number 9 are your homework. Mark it in your book. Number 3 and number 9 are your homework. Mark it in your book, and I will discuss it later. And the last one is the English question paper. I have written this. You can write whatever you want. Okay. Clear? All of you have written it, and from number E, number 3 and number 9, these are your homework. Okay. From E, number 3 and number 9, these two are your homework. You will do it, and I will discuss it later. I hope all of you have completed this. Okay. So now this chapter has completed. Okay, and I will be doing the next chapters in the later on classes. This chapter has completed. All of you study well at your home and practice this chapter very well. Okay. So today is up to this, and thank you for today.